In the Abbottstown area, a silently escalating issue in many homes is the running toilet, a problem that can stealthily waste up to 200 gallons of water daily. The culprits? Often, it's as simple as a faulty flapper valve, an improperly sized flapper chain, or a corroded toilet handle. Such seemingly minor issues can lead to major water wastage and inflated bills. But residents of Abbottstown, you have the power to halt this waste in its tracks. By calling 888-501-1193, you can connect with qualified plumbing professionals who are ready to fix your running toilets and restore efficiency to your home. Don't let your water and money go down the drain. Act now. Secure your home's plumbing and conserve precious resources today.